Hi everyone and welcome to another of my videos. Well, it's so exciting video for me and I hope for you guys. It's time to unbox this box that came to me yesterday and it was sent from my friend Valerie. Now we do box swaps 2 times a year. I send her a box full of products and she sent me a box full of products with around $300 worth. And last year, or not last year, I think it was in May when she received my box, a lot of stuff was stolen from the box. It arrived to her open and I think like 2/3 were stolen and I was really upset and really mad. So this year I bought the products for $300 around and plus for everything that was stolen. So she got some extra products in her box this year, so you can watch her video. I will link down below if you want to see what I sent to her and how she reacts when she opens my box. But her box here arrived. Everything looks nice. It wasn't opened, or it was a little bit smashed during the shipping, but it looks fine. I'm really excited to see what's hiding in here. I can't wait. It's like Christmas twice a year. We actually decided from now on to do only one box swap, but kind of put more money in it, just so we can actually have a chance to use these products for more than like 4 or 5 months. And I think that's a good idea. So we'll continue doing these box swaps because it's just something I don't know how I'm going to live without it when we decide to kind of stop sending each other boxes, because it's become like a routine, something I need to do. It's just exciting. So I'm going to open my box soon and see what's hiding in here. Valerie is a wonderful person. She is very positive. She also gives me so much love and support. We talk with each other couple of times a week. We leave each other some beautiful messages, some tips, some I don't know, we just talk about everything between heaven and earth. And she became my beautiful, wonderful, true friend, and I can't wait to see her, and we'll probably see each other in the future. But she is amazing. She does to YouTube. If you want to see her content and her videos, I will link everything down below. But she is just a wonderful person. You will love her as soon as you watch her videos. She's really down to earth. She's honest. She is positive. She really speaks her mind, and I love her. I just love her. So I can't wait. I can't wait. I need to open it. So let's open this. Let's open it. And I have my support today, my elephant. Love my elephant. I love elephants. Okay. I don't have my scissors. You know, when you need scissors, you can't find them. I have no idea where I put them. I have no idea where they are. Yeah, it's a struggle. Okay. Ooh, we have something to say. Oh, it's such a beautiful paper. Happy birthday. Okay, let's open this one first. Oh, beautiful paper. Happy birthday to me. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh my God, Valerie. I got these. This is Fenty Beauty Sun Talks Instant Warm Bronzer from okay, this is 4 different shades of instant warm bronzer from Fenty Beauty. Ooh, I've swatched these, but I haven't used them. Oh my God, I got 4. Okay. I'm really excited. I got the shade In the Sun, Shady Biz, Private Island, and Island Ting. I got 4 of the beautiful. Oh my God, I need to open them. Sorry guys, I need to open. I am going to try these on. The video will be up on Thursday. She will also do a try on Thursday. We usually do like a couple of videos. First we do unboxing and then we do the try on. Oh my God, look at the packaging. Such a beautiful bronzer. Oh my god, I love it. I love it, Valerie. I love it. And I have different shades for different makeup looks or different time of the year, because I do get tan a little bit, and I love using my tan spray so I get more color. I don't look like a dead person. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. Ooh, I love it, Valerie. This is I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, what's next? I know what to open. I'm nervous. She really wrapped this good. Ooh, I'm so happy about these Fenty Beauty products. Okay. She did such a good thing with wrapping them, and I'm just like a monster. Okay, there are 2 products in here. I'm excited. Oh, Joa Beauty. I love Joa Beauty. Now, we don't have anything from Joa Beauty in Sweden. It doesn't exist here. But everything she sent me from Joa Beauty, I loved. And I know I asked her to send me more products from Joa Beauty. But this is Heal Me. Kaya? I can't pronounce it. This is Gently Foam Cleanser. Ooh, can't wait to use it. It's sealed. Oh my god. Let the calm wash over you. Savor the whipped cloud like leather, and our hydrating foam cleanser purifies skin, smooths the appearance of radiance with a balancing blend of centilla, AKCI, I can't even read this, and calming extract. Non-irritating. Yeah, sounds good. I love. This is Heal Me Blurring Cooling Primer. Oh, this is a primer. Helps stressed skin chill out. Experience a cooling sensation on our balancing primer. Smooths your complexion and calms the appearance of redness with a hydrating blend, and still the same product ingredient here. Oh, I got 2 products. I didn't know that this was primer. I can't wait to use this. I love Joa Beauty. I love, and I'm glad to have also like a cleanser from this brand. She sent me 2 cleansers last year, and I loved it. I think, or 1 or 2. No, 1, and I still use it. I love that cleanser. I think I have a little bit left of it, but it's not Joa Beauty. It's another brand. Oh my god, this is, oh my god, this is so nice. What's this? This is the Makeup Revolution. Oh, I haven't used anything from Makeup Revolution for a very long time. And this is the Lion King collection lip glosses. It looks like being 3 different lip gloss. Yes, it is. I got the shade Danger. It's a red one. I have a pinkish one called Love Story. And also this beautiful one, New Era. Very nice. Ooh, I like them. I like Revolution Beauty's lip glosses. I've had them before, not these, but I did use a lot of those products before. And I got looks to be lip liner or eyeliners. Let's see. This is the CoverGirl. Ooh, waterproof exhibition / liquid eyeliner, waterproof, and a brown one. Yay! I love CoverGirl, but also we do have some of the CoverGirl products here in Sweden, but not all of them. It's just like 1/3 of all products come here, not even that, to Sweden, but they look really nice. I haven't seen these before. Ooh, exciting! And I like this tip because I have hooded eyes. I want something that won't mess me around. Rich brown and matte black. Yay! Thank you, Valerie. I love them. Okay, let's see. Really packed everything good. Okay, this looks to be a mascara. Maybe. Or maybe not. Or, oh, this is from Revolution. What is it? Oh, Eye Bright. Illuminate. This is the illuminating under eye concealer light. I wanted to try this. I wanted to try this for a very long time, but I don't know why I never bought it. But I'm glad that Valerie bought this for me. This is the, what shade is it? light. Can't wait to use it. Can't wait to use it because I heard very good stuff about this. This is a dupe for something else. I don't remember what, but I'm glad I haven't used this. I haven't used any of these products. Good, 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 good. Like, she read my thoughts. We usually send each other like wish lists, but we do buy a couple of products from our wish list. The rest of the products we just give if we want to each other to try something. Oh, I hope this is Joa Beauty. Yes! Oh my god, I love Joa Beauty. Perfect Eye Serum Concealer, and this is the eye concealer. This is a deeper color. I think she want me to use this as a contour. I love Joa Beauty, and last time, I think like a year ago, maybe even more, she sent me a box with, I don't know, it was similar to the packaging to this. I don't know if they changed the packaging, but it was this applicator, like a spongy applicator. She sent Joa Beauty concealer to me, and I loved it, and I know I asked her, next time you see, buy me some Joa Beauty concealer, and it was on my wish list. I can't wait to try this. Yay! I love it. Thank you, Valerie. Woo. She read my mind. Okay, we have something else. What's this? This is a superhero mascara. Ooh, I've tried this one before, liked it. Valerie sent this to me also, I think first time we did a box swap, and I did like it. This is a really, really nice mascara. Really nice mascara. She knows I love mascaras, and I'm picky when it comes to mascaras. Superhero. Volumizing. It's definitely volumizing. Thank you. I love it. And last thing here. What's this? Pixie? Is it Pixie Beauty? I hope it's Pixie. Yes, it is. Pixie and Petra H2O Skin Tint. Oh, we don't have it here. We do not have it here. This is Nude from Pixie. Where is Tint Face Gel? Water-based tint face gel evens out skin tones and gives complexion a flawless, no makeup look, hydrates and provides all-day wear, contains antioxidant-rich green tea, moisturizing rose water, soothing English chamomile, and relaxing lavender, fragrance-free for all skin types. I love Pixie Beauty. Now here in Sweden, we don't have all of the products from Pixie Beauty, and Pixie and Petra. When it comes or arrives to Sweden, it's like months and months later, and I haven't seen this product anywhere. Ooh, so exciting. Really, really good stuff, Valerie. This is, oh my god, more than enough. And we have, oh, they ran out. Now I know what this is. I opened it and they just pulled out some of, ooh, there are plenty of the, that were packed here. Oh my god, this is the Essence Ice Baby eyeshadow palettes. 1, 2, this is the bronze. Let's open them. Ooh, now we don't have them here. I haven't seen them here in Sweden actually. Oh, such a beautiful blue color. This one is called Ice Baby. Then we have Bronze This Way eyeshadow palette. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know even if you can see them. Sorry guys, I had to pause to see if it still films, because last time I filmed a video with my phone, it started recording. Okay, where were we? Yes, we opened we opened two of the eyeshadow palettes. This is, I like Mauve It, and this looks to be a purple. Ooh, beautiful colors. I love purples. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Nice. Then we have Nude. Nothing compares to Nude. Ooh, perfect nude palette. Then we have Coral Me Maybe. I think Valerie filmed videos with these eyeshadows like months ago. I need to watch them again. Dancing Green eyeshadow palette to see what makeup looks she created. Oh, nice. And then we have Taupe. Ooh, Thank you, Valerie. And there are so many. 3, 6, 7 different eyeshadow palettes. Thank you, girl. I can't wait to use them. What's wrong with you, my elephant? Tired today. Okay, the last thing we have here. Looks to be like a couple of things in here. Some liners, maybe. Maybe, yes. Some colorful liners. Ooh, plenty of them. LA Girl. Ooh, this is LA Color Shimmer Glitter on Smooth Eyeliner. Oh, wow. This is new. I haven't seen these before. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm just memorized of everything. Different eyeliners. I haven't seen these anywhere. Then we have Glamorous Color. They are glitter liners. Ooh, I hope such beautiful colors. Green and more like a nudish, pearly white. Then we have Majestic. And then this is the Glide on Smooth Auto Eyeliner 2. And another Glide on Smooth Auto Liner. And this is a shimmer one. Twinkling black. Ooh, so many beautiful liners. I haven't seen these anywhere. Let's open one just to swatch it. I need to. We are going to jam in the green one. Looks to be like a green one, just to swatch it. I haven't seen these anywhere. I didn't even know they existed. Thank you, Valerie. Ooh, beautiful green. Yes, beautiful, beautiful green. Beautiful liners. Thank you. I can't wait. And they go perfect with the eyeshadow palettes. You really thought of everything. I'm so excited to try these, guys. Really, really excited. This is so many beautiful products that I got. I love them. I can't wait to use these products. I can't wait to swatch everything, to create different makeup looks. I will definitely do a lot of videos with these products. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you already haven't. Go watch Valerie open her box that I sent to her. And hey, oh my god, I have like almost full face of products here. Can't wait to use them. Okay, I'm going to go and play with these products and record a lot. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and send so much love to Valerie. Love y'all.